y'all, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, please take the time out now to subscribe to my channel so that you can get more updates and info. So today I don't have on any makeup because I'm going to be using a mask. So I got it from the beauty supply store. It's a black mask and it's a charcoal peel off mask. I know I've seen it on Instagram a lot and I've been meaning to do this video for weeks. Okay, so they sell these in like the tube also, but at the beauty supply store I went to, they gave me like a little trial packet and it looks like this. So this is exactly how like the bottle looks, but it's just a bottle. It got the same information on it, and it says it's deep cleansing solution. Peel off mask removes blackheads and dirt inside of your pores, dual surface cells, and then purifies, while vitamins and plant extract softens the skin to restore a youthful glow. That was a lot. And it's carbon activated. So what you're supposed to do is like put it on your face and then let it sit for a minute, for like 20 minutes, I guess, I don't know, like 10 minutes, and then take it off. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put it on my nose because my face is hairy and I'm not even gonna, that's gonna hurt. That's gonna definitely feel like waxing, and yeah, so when I open the package, like it already starts to ooze out, and put it on my finger like this, and I'm gonna like coat it on my nose. I'm just gonna let that sit, and then we're gonna see how it works. Okay, so it's been on for like 20-25 minutes, and so I'm just gonna start to pull it off. It is like hard. It got a lot of blackheads. So I like how it works. So basically you just put it on for like 20-25 minutes and take it off. Definitely did good on my nose, and it didn't hurt that bad. You know, I did feel like a little pinching every now and then when I was taking it off, but it did not hurt like wax hurts. Yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all later.